Welcome to 108 Unvdatlvi, located on the beautiful west side of Conisty Falls, just outside of Brevard, North Carolina. Today I want to point out some of my favorite features of this home, just so you get an idea of what your life might look and feel like here. First of all, this house has a really smart and efficient floor plan. This home has just over 2,200 square feet. It's designed in a way it feels intimate, but also allows for entertaining large groups. The guest wing provides total privacy, and the layout includes a large master suite, 2 guest bedrooms, 2 baths, and an office, all on one level. The interior spaces of this home are really top-notch, but I also love the way that it draws you into the outdoors. Much of your time will be spent on the screened-in back porch and the open grilling deck. The topography of the backyard is perfect to enjoy the terraced perennial gardens and to play with pets. In fact, the current owners love the backyard so much that they finished out an unheated garden room to work with plants and entertain like-minded friends. In addition to the home itself, the hardwood forest where this home is sited is simply enchanting. The west side of Conisty Falls has larger trees and more open space. It feels more untouched than the rest of the neighborhood and appeals to nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The home is close to the Kelly Mountain Trail spanning over 5 miles and Lake Wanteska, where the water is crystal clear and the fish are abundant. Whether you're enjoying the indoors or the beautiful scenery, 108 Unvdatlvi is a sanctuary you'll fall in love with. Make an appointment today to see what your life could look like in Conisty Falls.